So guys, I'm going to be showing you how to change your video background from this to this. You can see it right. So let's dive into the video. If you know you want to watch this, you want to learn how to do this, then kindly watch this video and subscribe to my channel. So guys, you can see that video I actually just showed you now. So now, how do you create such similar videos? Now I'm going to be showing you guys on how to create such similar videos, a fake studio background for your YouTube channel. This is for those who are actually just YouTube startups, or probably you are someone who is just going into content creation and you don't have that budget to acquire expensive tools. Now I'm going to be showing you a logic on how you can actually create a fake YouTube studio just right from your home without any penny involved. All you just need to do is to get your smartphone, and I would advise you to either get a Samsung smartphone or an iPhone for quality camera. So you might say, I don't have the funds or I don't have the money to get such phone. Now what I would advise you to do is to actually borrow from someone, or probably you can start with what you have, any phone you have, probably if the camera is at least reasonable or good enough. Now, how do you get backgrounds for your fake studios? Now, there are different ways I can actually get my background for my fake studios. My network is not currently good, but I would like you guys to be here with me. So I can actually use Leonardo AI to generate it for free, or other softwares, AI softwares. Or I can probably still go to others websites like Pixabay. You can go to Pixabay, you can go to Pinterest to get your background for your studio. You can also go to other sites like Pixels. So I'm going to be using Pixels. Let's use Pixels. I think Pixels has enough. So if you can also use AI to generate something. Now one of the reasons why I love to use AI is because I can generate my mind. You know, AI brings your mind into reality. So I can just have a studio in my mind that I want to create. So what I just need to do is to explain that studio to AI, and AI will actually create such similar background for me. So all I just need to do is to import it to my software, then apply my videos and edit it. So first thing you need to know is to first of all create your background. Get your background. So I'm using Pixels now right now to get my background. I have gotten to my pixels.com right now, as you can see. So now what I just need to do is to get a background. So I can use any background. Let's just click or search for studio. So let's just say studio. So I can just search for studio. So once I search for studio, as you can see, a lot of pictures available here for free. So without charging you a penny. Now I'll just search for studio. Then from here I can get a background I can use for my video. So let's just search along and see if we can get a background for our studio. So I can actually use this one here. Let me download this one first. So let me download this one. Okay, I have gotten this one. So let's look for another one we can use. So let's look for, or probably still, if you like this one and you want to get similar images. So guys, as you can see, I'm already downloading. Now as you can see, it's giving me similar videos, similar pictures like that. So I'm going to be selecting the one that is very suitable for my background. So you can select the one that is suitable for your background. So I'm going to be selecting, I think this is very suitable. Now let's download this. Okay, so we don't waste most of our time. Or probably still you can still click on it. Once you click on it, you can see similar images like this. So let's look at that. Let's see similar images like that. So it's loading, as you can see. Please bear with my network. So if you know you are finding this video very helpful, I know we have not started, but you are finding this video very interesting and helpful, please subscribe to my channel. It's very important. That is only the way you can actually support this channel, because by subscribing and turning on the notification, you also help yourself, because our videos are going to be uploading in our nearest future. You get them, and they are very educative videos that you can actually start doing and making your money online from the comfort of your home. Okay, so let's look for any other image we can download. So you can download like 10 to 5 images that you know that is actually good for your background, or probably still, if you don't have any idea of how to do that, you can actually generate them with using AI, using ChatGPT to generate it. So I'm going to be creating a video on that. Okay, this is one of the best way picture you can download. So let's select this. So I'm good to go for this. Like, let's use this for our background. This is a very nice background. So let's use this. So I think now we're downloading the video already. Now the next thing you need to do after getting your background studio picture or anything, so the next thing you need to do is to open up a software for editing software. So we have other different editing software we can use. We can use Canva, we can use Premiere Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro, and we can also use Capcut. But I will always highly recommend Capcut because Capcut is free software and it's very, very easy to use. So let's dive into Capcut now. So I have this Capcut software installed and already running in my system. So the next thing I need to do is to import the video. So how do I import the video? By going to my media. So I'm going to be deleting this one already from here. So I'll go to my media, then import the video from my gallery, from my storage. So I'll import the video right now. So after importing the video, okay, so this is the video. So now after importing the video, but mind, don't be angry that. So I have two videos available here. I have two videos. Let me import the second video. So the second video available here is this video, which is okay. Let me also import the background, which is this background. Okay, this is the background. So let me import the video, another video I actually downloaded, which is this video. Okay, this video. So now I'm going to be showing two logics on how to achieve this. Now the first logic is first of all recording yourself. Now one thing I will always make sure you know that, like now I have a mistake here, but the reason why I had this mistake is because I had no choice. But for you who are creating such kind of videos, you make sure that your background is plain. Make sure you record on a plain background. Don't make sure that you don't have any busy items at the background. Busy items like maybe darker pillars or books around you, or somebody sitting around you, or shadow. Make sure you have a very good lighting. Very, very important. So for my own, it might not be that good, but for you, make sure to get a professional results. You have something like, you make sure you set up something like that. Now the first thing you need to do is to import the image first into your Capcut. So after importing the image, you stretch the image like this. So after stretching the image, okay, so after stretching the image, now you make sure you increase the image size to fit in by going to basic, video, then basic, then scale the image to make it fit your screen size. Okay, so after doing that, the next thing you need to do is to import your video. Now I've told you the first step. Make sure you have nothing distracting, no object distracting your background. Now the reason why is because Capcut will help you cut out your video from the background. So now let me start from where I entered there. So this is where I entered. So I'm going to be changing the background. Okay, so then this is where I stopped. Okay, this is where I stopped. I'm going to be changing the background. Okay, so I'm going to place this here. So after placing this here, what I'm going to do next is to click on this video, then also resize this image to make sure it fits the video. So after doing that, then I'll click on this video, then go to cutout, go to video, then base, then cutout. So I'll click on cutout, then you click on auto cutout. So you allow this thing to process. So it's going to process using your network. So you make sure you have data. So it's using data. I don't know, probably using data or not, but I think it's using data. So you make sure you have a network, a good network. It might probably work without data, but I mostly use the data. So you make sure you have a good network. So once that is done, it's going to help you cut out the background, your video from the background, your subject. So let's wait while this process. So it depends on how long the video is. If the video is very long, it might take a longer time. But if the video is very short, it might take shorter time to process. So for this video is nothing less than 20 seconds or 20 seconds, not up to 30 seconds. So the video is going to be trimmed up very fast as possible, no matter how long the video is. So it's processing. Let's wait for it to process. So once it's processed, I will show you how to achieve this. So guys, as you can see, it's already getting processed finally. So we have it as 90%. Let's make sure it's processed to 100 before you start editing, so that your software will not start lagging. So your software will not start slowing down. So it has been completed. So can you see I've been edited from the background of my normal video. So what you just need to do is to increase the size by going to basic, then scale it a little bit, then position it down a little bit. Okay, so after doing that, don't mind, my own video camera is not that quality. So as you can see now, what I'll just do next is to make sure the background is blurred. The background is blurred. So how do you make sure the background is blurred? Now to achieve that, you select your image, then go to effects, then go to video effects, scroll down to lens. As you can see, scroll down to lens. Once you scroll down to lens, you click on the lens and drop it on the image. So once you drop it on the image, you can now reduce this. You can reduce the blurriness of the image a little bit down, or you can increase it a little bit. Okay, so once you do that, so let me remove this guy. I think it's distracting. Or let's see, or probably still. Let's just go to edit. Okay, so we can just crop it by going to max, then click on uh, mirror. Okay, you go to horizontal mirror, horizontal max. Or let's use. Okay, let's rotate it like this. As you can see, then drag it down like this. So as you can see, we have removed that guy. Okay, so can you see that this is a fake studio? Now let's play what we have here. Can you see how this video look a little bit more professional than the normal video? Without noisy background and other stuff. So this is how you can, assuming I have a camera which is very quality, like let's say assuming I have an iPhone, it will be more better than this. So can you see, this is how you create your fake YouTube background, video background for your YouTube channel, so without spending a dime. So guys, if you find this video very helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel so don't miss any of my upcoming videos, because in this channel I will upload more videos that are very educative and can start making, allowing you to start making money online in the online space without even leaving your house. So if you know you're external, if you're an introvert or stay at home person, this is the channel that you need to click on, even though you're an extrovert, because and you want to find a way you can start making money online without even stressing yourself. So this is the channel you need to follow. So click on the subscribe button so you don't miss my upcoming video and turn on the notification bell. So see you in my next video. I remain firm. Thank you very much. God bless.